Let's tell that engineer to blow the whistle. 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle! Wow, how about that, folks? Give them a round of applause. That was Engineer DJ and Cinderella saying thank you very much. Now, if you look over here on your left-hand side above the tree line, you'll see a portion of the Great Smoky Mountains. It was established as a national park back in 1934, and it's one of the most visited national parks in America. At the dawn of the 20th century, there were over 1,200 little small farms dotted about here in the Smoky Mountains, much like the one coming up here on your left-hand side. It consisted of the main house where the family lived, the chicken house where they gathered up the eggs, the smokehouse where they hung and cured the meat, and the spring house where they kept the milk and butter cool, and some modern vehicles too. And also, let's not forget about another house, and that's the outhouse. Kids, if you don't know what that outhouse is, you might have to ask your parents. And if they seem a bit confused, you might have to ask your grandparents. Now, coming up here on your left-hand side, looking through the trees, you'll see the giant blue loops of the Wild Eagle roller coaster. It'll take you 23 stories up above the floor of the Great Smoky Mountains and drop you down 13 into a giant 110-foot loop at speeds of 60 miles an hour. Now let me ask you, how many folks have ridden that Wild Eagle? Raise your hands up. Hey, look at there, some brave ones. All right, now show of hands. How many people are scared they ain't gonna ride that thing? Okay, the feathers are flying again. Well, you can go by the merchandise shop there at the Wild Eagle, and they have a bright yellow t-shirt, and on that t-shirt it says, "I'm a chicken." Wear it and wear it with pride, y'all. Now let's just get back and relax, and I'm going to play a little old Susanna here. It has 11 cruise attractions, a Southwest-inspired restaurant, and those bright green rails is the Dragonfly roller coaster. So drop in there to see the Wildwood Grove. Y'all take a look up there at the engine on the left-hand side. That's our fire lady, Miss Julie, waving back at you. Come on, give her a big hand. Now, she works real hard to get this train up and down the mountain every day. She shovels up to 5 tons of coal on a busy day, and that engine will drink 4,000 to 5,000 gallons of water.